as is and to be processed for a life insurance application. Let's first understand the as is business. So currently, the customer fills out a paper-based proposal form, and that form is taken up by the insurance agent, and they submit that to the insurance company. Then imaging team in the insurance company scans that paper documents and convert that into either PDF or any of the imaging file. And then a data entry operator um, copies the data from that PDF and put it into the internal policy administration system. From there, manual underwriter reviews the medical declaration, verifies the income proof, and checks the occupation risk, and finally decide whether to approve or reject the policy or apply premium loading to the policy. In case if it is approved, if the policy is approved, then the payment link is shared manually with the client. And finally, after the payment, fulfillment team prints the policy document and send it via courier or mail to the customer. There are various issues in as this process. First is heavy manual dependency, long turnaround time. It's 3 to 7 days because scanning the document and data entry operator putting that into the policy system plus fulfillment team printing that out and mailing it to the customer would take a lot of time. So it's around a week, and there could be data entry errors while copying from the PDF and putting it into the internal policy system. High operational cost as well, and low STP, which stands for straight through processing, because almost all the processes are manual. So that's why the STP is almost zero. And now let's go through the 2B business process, which is digital and automated model. Firstly, the customer will submit the proposal using the onboarding platform, which is web application, and and in that web application, they will submit the form, they will do the KYC verification, and they will upload the document, right? And then system will perform the checks. Firstly, the automated underwriting rule engine will verify whether the policy needs to be approved or rejected based on the income or sum assured, based on the medical and the lifestyle scenarios, or fraud and risk scoring. So if the risk score is low, then they would be straight through processing. The premium would be calculated, and then the payment would be done, something like that. But in the case of high risk cases, it will be routed to manual underwriter to decide whether to approve or reject it, or add a premium loading. Once it is approved by the underwriter, either through our system or through manually, then premium is calculated instantly and the premium is shown to the customer. Further, customer will complete the online payment via integrated payment gateway, either through cards or net banking or any other mode. And finally, policy will be auto generated, wherein policy number would be created, PDF would be generated, and email and SMS would be sent to the customer. Advantage of 2B process is reduced turnaround time, which is around minutes if it is a low risk score, right? Increased straight through processing, it's almost 80 to 90 percentage. There is just one process wherein there could be a manual underwriter. Rest, most of the processes are automated. Lower manual workload, better fraud control, improved customer experience, and higher proposal completion rate.